In this example, we have a login subtest. It is here and it is doing simple login logic, taking three variables as input parameters: login, password, and name. Variables are global. We use these variable values for actual test execution. Global variables are essential for the case of parallel execution because global variables will receive input values. Parallel execution is done by this parent test, which is calling subtest and passing information about threads, which is a map. Threads map defines thread IDs in the first column and values for global variables in further columns. So each executing thread will have its own set of values passed in. In addition to two required parameters, test path and threads map, Do-Play-Test-Parallel accepts external params that are treated as values for global variables. So in this case, all executing threads will have gbrowser library variable have this value. We use Selenium grid, which should use headless execution if we want to have several browser tests executing in parallel. Now let's see what happens when we play this test. You see parallel execution console opens and it lists the threads that are currently executing. We see thread ID and execution status. They all play in parallel. First done, second done, and third one is about to be done. Once execution is done, we have a report where all statements and report lines belonging to different threads have different thread column set. It's more convenient to use hierarchical mode for parallel execution. So we have test for first user, second user, and third user separated. So we may now expand each of them and see execution state.